Hi, this is Seth Stevens, co-founder of QuickFastHurry.com.
My name is Barbara Boshin. I'm a longtime Amazon seller. Queen of diversification. I go around the country and talk about why you need to be diversified.
This is Seth Kniep, Keeping It Real. I started with a single dime and I doubled the dime 20 times up to $100,000. Today I work with a team of 9 coaches who coach people how to build their businesses on Amazon in 89 different countries around the world.
What advice would I give if I could go back in time and start again?
That's a really good question because people ask this all the time.
Once I find a market that is easy to tap into and has big legs and it's evergreen, so it's not seasonal, I would stay there and don't get distracted.
I would go back and I would tell myself to learn more before launching. I wouldn't have lost the 20,000 if I had learned more.
Move faster and be more aggressive.
Over time, you'll be able to extract more profit out of a product that you're selling more quantity of. The supplier's going to give you better pricing.
I'm very analytical, so I'm always looking at all the pieces and parts and analyzing it.
You have to have the right mindset, you have to have the right knowledge. You need to learn. Put yourself around people who know more than you do and run hard with it.
Your whole life becomes easier if you're selling a good product and you really hone your focus on that.
It would have been a great thing if I had just been more aggressive.
Learn from that and you can absolutely crush it out there.
Hold on, don't leave yet. Make sure you join over 30,000 Amazon sellers at the FBA High Rollers group by going to ampmpodcast.com/Facebook. It's free to join this massive community. And if you're a person that enjoys money or you're a human that prefers easier and faster ways to make it by selling on Amazon, then we've set aside some massive goodies for you. Head over to ampmpodcast.com/resources to save thousands of dollars on tools and services that the pros use to crush it on Amazon. And one last thing, don't miss out on future episodes. Make sure you tap that subscribe button and leave your questions in the comments below.